Yes, children. Now today's session is English. Today's session is English. Yes, children. Here now this is a puzzle activity. This is a puzzle activity. We use the interactive cards of words. Of words. Here the words are given. Here pin, egg, cap, and jug. We use the interactive cards of words and sort out three-letter word from the letter cards. This is called letter card. This is called letter card. This is called interactive card of words. And we will sort out three-letter words from this card. Okay, children, we use the letter cards jumbled with the letters. We use the letter cards and this is jumbled up with the letters, and I will ask you to pick up the letters to make the sound of the letter. I will ask you to pick out the letters and make the sound of the letter. Yes, children, this is the letter card. So we will be using letter cards and make small words. We will be using letter cards and making small words. Okay, children, this is like a puzzle activity, and here we will be able to have a quick recap of the sound of letters. We will be having quick recap of sound of letters. Yes, children, shall we proceed? Shall we proceed? Yes, children. Here, now when you observe this card, first one is B-E-D, bed. So you will identify the letter B in the letter card. Letter B in the letter card and pick up the letter card and stick it here in place of B. I will show you for example. For example, you identify, children, you identify letter B and stick up. You just see how teacher is going to stick up. She is using both the boxes. She is using both the boxes. B, 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 B. Come on, identify the letters. Ishamruta, you must identify the letters from the picture letter. These stickers are there for the puzzle activity, children. We are going to make small words with these letters. Yes, B, B. First one I am explaining you. Later, second one you will tell the phonic sound. B, B. Then what is the next letter? Identify the next letter. B, E, D, bed. E. E says I. E. Identify E from the letter card. Where is E? Yes. You identify the letter E from the picture. Identify letter E from the letter card. Did you identify? Yes. You will.
Reyansh, can you tell me the letter E sound, phonic sound?
Yes, beta.
Reyansh. Reyansh,
Yes.
can you please tell me the phonic of letter E? Very good.
Very good.
Yes, children. Now you will identify one more letter is here after B, E. One more letter is there. What is that letter? Identify D, the. D, the. You have to identify from the letter card. And all of you search for the letter D, D, the. D, the. Yes, you identify from the letter card. Children, this is a puzzle activity. You will learn to frame three-letter words. Yes? Yes. Now, D, the. You will stick up D in this way. Yeah. You will use both the boxes. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. This is the way you stick up. D, the. Okay, children, I explained the first one. The second one, you will be getting the chance. You must tell me the phonic sound. You must tell me the phonic sound. Yes, children? What activity is this, children? Interactive cards, puzzle activity. We are using interactive cards. Cards, children. Cards of the words to sort out 3-letter words. To sort out 3-letter words. Now, we will be using the letter card. We will be using the letter card jumbled with the letters. These letters are jumbled up. These letters are jumbled up, and you will pick out the letters and make the sound of the letter. Yes, let us go to the second one. Second one. Come here. Now come here. Can you see this? Can you see this? Now I want Arush. Arush, read this words. Apple. What? Come on, read. What is this? Read you loudly. Loudly. Read. You must unmute.
Yeah.
Yeah, Arush. Arush. Yes. No, just see properly.
No, teacher.
Wait.
Teacher, you have.
Yes. Apple. Apple. Now you will identify the letter from the letter card. Now letter card, all of you identify letter card. Come on. Apple cap. Identify letter C. Identify letter C from this letter card. Identify letter C from the letter card and paste it. Come on. Who will do first? Come on. You must identify the letters from the letter card. Apple. You must say it and do it. You will learn the phonics, children. Once again, we are doing the recap of phonics. Nothing but. Okay. Very good. Now you say it. Arush, say it. Come on, tell me. What did you do? Apple cap. You must say it in phonic way also. That's good. Now we'll go to the next one. Oh, sorry. We kept this side. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Sorry. I'm so sorry, children. Okay. We went to the behind picture sheet. Okay. It's okay. The next one. Ishamruta. Ishamruta, can you look here? Okay. She's now I want Chetan. Yes. Okay. Ishamruta, look here. Read this word. Read this word.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, teacher.
Come on. What is this letter? Tell me
Unmute
the
yourself,
letter and
Ishamruta.
Which one, ma'am? Second one.
yeah, yeah, this one.
T.
What is that?
Tell me the phonic sound.
T.
T.
Phonic
T.
sound.
What is the phonic sound of T? Yes.
No. T.
Very good. Now, Chetan, tell me the phonic sound of O.
Oh. Phonic sound.
Chetan. O. Very good,
Not to me. You
Ishamruta.
have to say to
Yes.
teacher.
Yes. Next one. P. Yes, Adya, can you tell me the phonic sound of P? P.
Loudly.
Very good. The upper top. The upper. If you search the upper top in the letter card, search for the letter card. Letters. Search for the letters. The upper top. Come on. Stick up the letters. Identify the upper top T. First identify T. All of you must identify T. Arush, you must do it on your own. Very good. The upper top. Yes. Very good. Now go to the upper top. Finish. Yes. Now let us go to the next word. Otter pot. Otter pot. Now Gautam Krishna, tell me Tell me the phonic sound of T. T. Very good. Excellent. Thumbs up for you. Then O.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rehan. Phonic sound of O. O. Very good. Excellent. Then next T. The sound of T. The phonic sound of T. Yes. Phonic sound of T. Hasya. Hasya. Phonic sound of T. So, very good. Per autopod. Now you will identify the letter P of T. P O T. Per autopod. Per autopod. Yes. From the letter card. From the letter card. Activity puzzle, children. Come on, identify. Per autopod. Activity puzzle. Yes, children, done. Asya, done. Very good.
Yes. All done.
Next one, come to
Pin auntie.
S U N sun. Now tell me,
SUN, son. Auntie.
Avyuk,
No.
Adrut. Yes. Now can you tell me the sound of sir? S.
Teacher,
ఇది ఏంటి SUN
Sorry.
చెప్పు నాకు.
S.
we can't hear you, teacher. Everybody is
Parents, can you please?
You says.
Parents, can you please mute yourselves, parents?
Then N says.
Thank you.
Now all of you, identify the letter from the letter card. Come on, identify the letter S. I'll give you one more chance, Adrut. Identify. Yes, good. Identify the letter S. S, sir. S-U-N, sun. Sir, no. Yes, children? Now, we'll come to egg. Now, Adrit, E says, tell me the phonic sound of E. E says, E says,
Eggs in the pan.
Come on.
E says, tell me. E says, yes, you. No. You say, Ishamrata,
Yes.
you tell me. You say,
It's in the pan.
Very good.
very good.
Eggs
Now,
in the
right,
pan.
now, sorry,
It's
pick
in
up
the pan.
the letter E. Very good. Excellent. This, very good. Yes. Stick up the letter E. Identify the letter E from here. E. Now tell me. Yes. Very good. G. Identify the letter G from the letter card. Two G's are here. Identify the letter G. G says, Arush, Rehans, tell me. G says, what is the phonic sound of G? G. Very good. Very good. G says G. Go. G, egg. E-G-G, egg. Children, parents, there's one more letter. G is here. You will keep your sketch pens ready. Okay, children. Now let us go with the next word. Next word. Come here. Now next child. Gautam Krishna, can you identify this letter? J. J says, what is the phonic sound of J? J says, J says, J. U says, Gautam Krishna. U says, what is the phonic sound of U? What is the phonic sound of you?
Phonic sound.
Parents, if you can mute yourselves, parents. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Abdul's umbrella. Forgot. Okay. G says. What is the phonic sound of G?
Gaga.
G.
Guys.
Very good. Okay. Now you will identify the letters from the letter card and make the word.
Should
And
we
parents-
do for the backside too?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Children,
But
you will write the letter G with your sketch pen. The G is missing here. You will write the G with sketch pen. Okay. J.
Or pencil.
Pencil. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. You have already learned, children, all these words you have already learned. We are just doing the phonics. Okay, just a quick recap we are doing with the sounds of letters. Yes, children. We are using letter cards to make a small words, isn't it? Yes, we are selecting the correct letters and making the 3-letter words. Am I right? Yes, children? Yes? Are you done? Both the sides?
Yes.
Both the sides? Both the sides? Show me like this. Show me. Ishamruta, have you finished?
Teacher. See.
Yes, show me a face. You are not showing properly. Avyog? Adrut? Properly put it up like this way. How teachers keeping? Yes.
Come closer to the
This way.
screen, children.
Come closer to the screen. Like this. Your face. You show me your face like this. Yes. Very good. Yes. Wait like that for 1 second. Look
Teacher, if they
here.
read the spelling, yes. Arush, come closer, beta.
Adrut, you're not showing properly. Adrut.
Ma'am, did Chetan come? Did you saw Chetan, ma'am?
Okay.
Madam, give me 1 minute. I'll just
Okay.
take out the pics, ma'am. Chetan, hold it, Chetan. Chetan, hold it
Yeah,
and smile.
done. Thank you.
Chetan, look, friend.
Chetan, look here.
Teacher,
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
let him read. What is that, teacher?
Ayush. Up. Put it up, Ayush. Yes. Very good.
Yes, teacher, I'm done. Christina, madam, I'm done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so
I've
much.
taken out
ma'am.
everybody's snap. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Now you are the host, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I'll take care.
Yes. Children? Yes? You understood, children? What activity is this, children? Tell me. Puzzle activity. What activity is this? Puzzle activity. Puzzle activity. Using interactive cards. Yes, children? Using interactive cards and letter card. Yes, children? Yes, hope you must have once again
Ma'am, we
understood the
don't
concept
have
clearly.
a card. We're having a card missing here.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
We didn't get one card.
Can you tell the child?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. I'll come to you,
One
ma'am.
letter is
1
missing.
second,
Which
ma'am. I'm
card?
coming. Yes, children. Now we will read the words from the PPT. Okay, children? Yes. Agnes, ma'am, can you make me the host?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. You are the host now.
Thank you, ma'am. Children, we have learned the phonics once again. No, children? Yes? Yes, children? Did we learn? Once again, we will learn phonic sound, children. Here, I will show you. Agnes, ma'am?
Yes, Krishna teacher.
The 3-letter words which you have shared it. Yeah, I got
Yeah. Shall I share it?
Yeah, one second.
You got it, ma'am? Yeah.
I'll-
Okay.
Thank you.
Christina madam, I think there is some problem with the connectivity.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay, children. One
It's,
Okay. Can you please share that? Yes. Can you
yeah,
please
if you
share
give me
that?
the host rights,
Yeah.
if you can give
One
me the
second,
host
one
rights, I will share it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Children, once
Thank
again.
you. Thank you, Christina madam. I will be sharing the 3-letter words.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Children, these 3-letter words we have already done from the literacy book, page number 8 to 16. 8 to 16. Children, we have already learned these words from page 8 to 16 from the literacy book, children. Randomly, we will learn this once again. Yes, children. Annotator, ant. Yes, children. Beato. You must read this way so that you will learn quickly. Beato, bat. Or yo, boy. Yes, children. When you see, first you will learn with phonics. Then as you see the word, you will learn. Yes, ant. A-N-T, ant. In the mind, you will keep the letters in the mind and you will identify the letters quickly. You will say A-N-T, ant, arm, ball, all, ball, all, ball, A-L-L, all, ball, at a bat. Yes, children? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Can you please go to the another slide? Yeah. G-U-M, gum. G-A-M. No.
GUM gum. Chappu.
U-M.
HENN.
You must read, children.
And
Open your
Parents,
book
can you
and
please
read.
mute yourself, parents? Parents, can you
Yes,
please
children.
mute yourself, parents?
You must open the books and read all the 3-letter words and underline with a pencil in your literacy books. Jam or jam. I am just showing you for the practice. For randomly, I am showing you, children. Or log. All these are vowel letter words. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Okay, children. Once again, you recap. When you are free time, you have free. You sit and open the books and learn all the 3-letter words with A, E, I, O, U vowels in that. K, O, W, cow. D, O, G, dog. Yes, the otter, dot. F, and a fan. Yes, ma'am. Once again, can you please? One
I'll
more
come down, teacher.
Yeah.
That's done, teacher. I'm done
Done.
with this
Yeah,
words,
done.
teacher.
Thank
Yeah.
you, children.
Shall I
Thank
stop
you so
sharing?
much. Yes, stop sharing. Children, hope
Yeah.
you have understood all the phonics. Once again, we have recap quickly. Yes, no, children?